Hi, this is Arunachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Eclex Services. So this is a good stock with good fundamentals. So one can go long in this stock. I have found a swing trade in the recent times, and this trade will give a fantastic return. Now let's analyze the stock on technical basis. So this is a monthly chart. Before analyzing the swing trade idea, one should understand the stock's nature. So now let's analyze the chart on monthly basis. This is the monthly chart. After the listing, the stock fell down and gave a fantastic move on upside. So look at the move on the upside, and it took a accumulation here, and once again it started moving higher after the break of accumulation, and after a long period the stock took a consolidation here. It's not about consolidation, it's a distribution zone. After the distribution, the stock gave a fantastic breakdown here. So this stock is a good technical follower. So let me show you how the stock distribution works. Some of our subscribers have doubt on accumulation and distribution zone. This can be a good example to teach the distribution zone. Now in this chart, look at the wick here. The wick almost 3 times bigger than the body, so this can be taken as a good rejection in the lower side. And once the stock raised above, it faced a resistance here. Look at the wick here. The wick is more high because the buyers are not willing at that price, and they keep on pushing the prices down, and finally the price settled at the end of month at the price range of 1600. Then it started falling there, and it came to the same demand zone, and once again it started moving higher. Look at the wick size. The size is quite small here. Once again it touched the same resistance area, which is around supply zone. So the stock again started falling once it touched the supply zone. But look at the wick size. Compare all three wicks. The buyers are very less and the sellers are pushing the price down. So this shows a weakness in the stock. Look at the wicks. The wick are showing weakness because the wick size are reducing and the candle size is also reducing. Look at the wick is almost zero here. So this can be taken as a negative thing for the stock, and the stock tried to move higher but it failed to move higher because the Fibonacci retracement will show what's happening there. So this is the Fibonacci. So if the stock moves above the 0.5 level, then one can consider a swing, but it failed to move higher because look at the wicks on three candles. The three candles shows a huge selling pressure. So this is the premature state of breakdown region. So one should analyze the distribution only like this because the sellers will have impact on prices. That's the first sign to exit the stock, and the sellers will make the EMAs to flatten. Flatten means since there is no 200-day candles in this monthly chart, I am using 50-day moving average. It shows simple flattening, but the 200-day moving average will show good pattern. Since the chart has no long history, I have chosen this. So look at the EMA, it almost flattened here. The flattened means the stock is in the distribution zone. Look at the reaccumulation. I will show you the reaccumulation. Once the stock comes near the reaccumulation, it started flying, but in this case the stock touched the EMA, but it just reacted to the next resistance area, and once again it started falling to the same price range. Once again it raised, but it could not move more than 50% of fall. So this is another example for sellers in power. Once the price is not rising, the sellers understood that buyers are expired, so they started shorting the market. That's what happens in every distribution zone. So the stock after a good bull run started distributed, and after distribution the stock broke the level of distribution, which is called as demand zone. Demand zone was broken, then the stock started falling violently and stock bottomed here, and this can be taken as the accumulation zone. Look at the price here. These prices are quite good, and the stock just like that broke the demand zone and started flying higher. The prices are not at all moving lower here. This shows that bulls are in power. So this can be taken as the reaccumulation zone. Once the reaccumulation was over, the price started flying. This is called as markup zone. So markup is happening. So these are the things to be considered before investing in stocks. But trading doesn't require such a deep understanding of stocks. For trading, one should consider the resistance and supply of a stock. And let me move to the weekly chart to analyze the chart further. So in weekly chart, the stock is placed above the major supply zone. So this can be taken as the demand zone from now onwards. In simple words, it can be taken as a support for the stock. So this can be a best support for the stock, because look at the bullish volume and look at the price raised here. The both signs show it's a good support level for the stock. And now let's move to the daily chart. Before knowing the price target and entry, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that we will be encouraged to do such videos on regular basis. So now let's analyze the chart for price target in this stock. So this can be taken as a swing low, and this can be taken as a swing high, and this can be taken as the retracement point. So one can take entry above the price range of 2000, or one can take entry above the price range of 1800 also, so that they will get the price range of 2000 as the target. So one can take entry above the price range of 1800 and can get a 7% return, and one can wait till the price range of almost 2400. So one can also consider 2400 as the target for the stock, because the stock gave a very good momentum upside, and the stock also shows a bullishness here. Look at the wick here, it's almost a long legged doji, and the stock of next day gave a good bullish volume with a good bullish candle. So this can be considered as a good breakout and retracement. So one can easily expect the price range of 2000 for the very short term, and one can expect a price range of 2400 as a target for the stock. And one should take entry only above the price range of 1800, and aggressive traders can take entry at current market price also. Current market price is around 1700 price range. 1800 can be taken as a entry for the safe entry traders, and both can expect the target of 2400 in the stock. So that's all for today. If you like the content, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel, and join us on Telegram to grow together. Thank you.